Imagine what could happen to your business if you use short videos to promote your products and services. Are you tired of being the best kept secret? Hi, I'm Julia Glide, and I'm going to be teaching a workshop at Victory Workspace in Walnut Creek, and I'm inviting you to grab a free ticket to attend while supplies last. The workshop is on April 10th, that's a Tuesday, from 5:30 to 7 p.m. The event is called The Art of Being Visible on Video, and in the workshop, I'm going to teach you several things. First of all, I'm going to teach you how to connect quickly with your ideal clients and viewers so they watch the entire video. I'm going to teach you how to create a compelling message using my simple formula that you can use over and over every time you create a video. I want to help you learn about lighting and sound and background so you feel comfortable and confident every time you hit record. I'm also going to teach you how to have a clear call to action every time you're on video so people actually do something after watching. If you want to attend, just click the link, grab a free ticket, and I'll see you at the workshop.